Today, severe weather likely. Strong winds and torrential. The National Weather Service in Benny County has issued a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:40, thunderstorms were located along the line stretching from the Benny County down to Jack County. The storm will contain damaging winds, large hail, and possibly strong tornadoes. Currently listening to NOAA Radio at The National Weather Service in Benny County has issued a tornado watch in effect until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:37, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line stretching from Benny County down Jack County. Again, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for tornado development. Weather Service in Benny County has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 7:58, severe thunderstorms were located along a line going from Benny County to May County. The storm will contain baseball-sized hail and strong tornadoes. The National Weather Service of Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Peoria County in central Illinois, Central Marshall County in central Illinois, Putnam County in north central Illinois, extreme northern Woodford County in The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Douglas County.
Tornado warning. Tornado warning.
This is a tornado early warning system. Beware of tornado vortexes and strong winds. This is a tornado early warning system. Beware of tornado vortexes and strong winds.
Due to the extreme tornado threat that is threatening all over central and northern Illinois, tornado emergency has been declared for the state of Illinois, issued by the governor at Springfield. in conjunction with the National Weather Services of the Quad Cities, Lincoln, Paducah, and Chicago.
Multiple sources, which includes trained weather spotters, radar, law enforcement, and emergency management, confirm tornado and basketball-sized hail impacts. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes, buildings, and skyscrapers may be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes. At 11:55 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely violent, and potentially catastrophic tornado is on the ground. This is an emergency situation. Foundations are being ripped from the ground, exposing basements in residences or buildings, which increases the chance of death from tornadoes. Everyone is advised to go underground inside a tornado shelter. If no such tornado shelter is available, your only best chance is to remain in the basement or in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring from this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers, and tornadoes are extremely difficult to confirm tonight. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. The following message is transmitted.
Good morning, residents and citizens of the state of Illinois. I am saddened to report as a super outbreak unfolded today at the states of Illinois, Iowa, and Wisconsin. Words cannot describe the darkest night everyone had to deal from the 15th of September of 2020, even at the midst of a coronavirus pandemic. I feel for the sad, grieved, and the lost people, and especially to those what happened at the cities of DeKalb, the Tri-Cities, Seneca, and most notably Chicago and Milwaukee. I fear that how much destruction and chaos this super outbreak has affected most of our residents in northern and northeastern Illinois. But we will not stop here. We will rise again, to rebuild of what was lost from that outbreak, and we will remind everyone to remember the lives taken away from this chaotic superstorm. Thank you all, and God bless.